This is how you find high-income homeowners in the United States. Cell phone, email, or direct mailing list. You can navigate over to the menu, go to Homeowners. On our homeowner database, we have 50 million people that have been skip traced to cell phone and email. And right down over here on our left-hand side, we have our median income range. So if I was looking for higher earners that are also homeowners, I would be able to go type in my range. So I want to look for homes and people who live in homes that make a median income range of $150,000 a year. So I'm going to go type in 150 and I can go click my enter key. I'm left with 3 million homeowners. And lastly, I want to make sure that every single list has a valid email. So when I click the email switch, it's going to validate the email for me. I find 1.6 million homeowners with a valid email. One last thing I want to do, I want to take the age and I want to lower the age to 45 and I want to increase it 35 because they are viable for an IUL and they are healthy enough, quite possibly looking for it. So I have my list right now, 277,000. I'm going to go click buy save leads, do my list limit, type in my list. Click buy list. I will get an email. These addresses will be unveiled, and all of these lists you can download, save, and also resell to anybody you want to. Remember, you can buy, sell, and trade data and leads on Avocadata Marketplace by clicking this admin switch. And just like that, you just created your own data store to resell data that you purchase and earn royalties in perpetuity on any of the data you list. So if you get a big list of consumers and you're able to figure out which one of them are interested in any service, you can then refine that list based on the new things that you learned about it. Learn how to monetize data, get subscribed,